everybody, I'm Busha and welcome to a video, and this is a tutorial video on how to switch your YouTube back to the new version, because there's two versions of YouTube. There is this new version and the old version, and I can tell you how to switch the versions. So this right here, you have to click on that, and then you have to click on where is it? Sorry, you have to find it. Restore old YouTube here, right here. Click on that. And then you have this little square and it says, "We're sorry to see you go," and all this garbage. Click that. So now, it's, I don't know what to say. This is old YouTube. But, if you go here, back here, there's no option. And if you go through here, which I don't really want to go through, there's no option to switch it back, and I'm actually quite bummed about that. But on a separate website, which is in the description, I have the link in the description, there we go, if I speak correctly. So there's another website which is right here, and this is called TestTube, and right here it says try out a fresh new look for YouTube. So if you're stuck in this mode and you don't really like it, go to here and look for where it says try out a fresh look. Try out a fresh look for YouTube, and then you don't really need to read this. Just click that, and you go here. So this is basically the same exact thing. This is a new version, what it looks like. You could get dark theme and all that. You probably already know this. This is the current version. So, just get it now. It's free. I don't know why it says get it now when it's a website. You click on it and it just brings you to here. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and Piggy on. Bye! 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 Bye!